Hello everyone, my name is Abhir
I
Kumar.
got the
I
cash in
am
the
a future
bag,
first year
stadium
student
packed. Born a rock
at
star in
WT
this life,
University.
gon' live it up on the
Today I
attack.
will
Baby,
be
I'm
talking
bad. I
about
just wanna
one
get
of the
caught
most
up in this life,
ignored
I'm crazy,
but
I'm
dangerous
mad.
of the
Doing no
environmental
cap. Only
movement.
God wants you
Noise
better go
pollution
live it
and
up.
its
Cash in the
health
bag,
effects.
stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast.
Walking
I ain't
trend.
gonna take that, stay back. I'll be
Noise
swinging hard
pollution
till the hits come in all
directly
caps.
impacts
I ain't gonna lay back, pray
environmental
that someone's
and
gonna help me. Ain't
destructive
nobody
sound
like that.
that
I ain't gonna
disturb
wait, that's all
our
fact. Give me one
environment
shot and I'll never
and
get the throne back.
affect
I'm
human
sick of being
well-being.
cautious. I'ma go cause some pain,
Unlike
can't
clear
stop this.
our
I'ma steal
water,
everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of
noise
hearing everyone
could be
complain when they thoughtless.
but
Taste the
living
pain, it's like
everywhere
candy
around
canes. It
us.
makes me go change into a
The
better
major
frame,
source
into a
of
better
noise
name.
pollution,
Society's insane, we
like
all live for fame.
traffic
Yeah.
noise come from vehicles,
Stadium packed, born a rock
industrial
star in this life, gon' live
loudspeakers,
it up on the
and
attack.
music
Baby, I'm
system,
bad. I just wanna get
train
caught up in this
aeroplanes,
life. I'm
urban
crazy, I'm
crowding,
mad. Do it no
Indian
cap. Only God
household
wants you, better go
like
live it up. Cash in the
mixture,
bag. Stadium
generator,
packed. Baby,
television,
I'm bad. Baby, I'm
movies
bad.
are widely used because they contain experts and waves that disturb our circadian rhythm. Our body needs light, airness, hormones, and rest to keep safe. We are not aware of this. Our nervous system feels the effects of it.
Let's look at some of the health effects of noise pollution. First, hearing problems. Long exposure to loud sounds can permanently damage our ears, leading to partial or complete hearing loss. Second, stress and anxiety. Constant noises makes people restless, anxious, and easily irritated. Third, sleep disturbance. Noise at night affect the quality of sleep, leading to fatigue, poor concentration, and low productivity. Fourth, cardiovascular issues. Studies have shown that high noise levels can increase blood pressure, cause irregular heartbeats, and raises the risk of heart disease. Fifth, impact on children. Kids growing up in noisy environments may face problems in learning, speech development, and concentration. Noise pollution does not just harm humans, it also affects animals by disturbing their communication, breeding, and survival. Reduce noise pollution if we act responsibly. Some solutions are: first, following rules for silent zone near schools, hospital, and residential areas. Second, avoiding unnecessary honking and using vehicles responsibly. Third, planting trees because they act as natural sound barriers. Fourth, using soundproof materials in industries and residential buildings. Fifth, creating public awareness campaigns so that people understand the harmful effects of noise pollution. Sixth, on a personal level, we can use earplugs or noise cancelling headphones in noisy areas.
But let's step by step today towards Switzerland and Taiwan.